hello everyone. Today we're gonna be eating McDonald's. Okay, I have my pork. It's a breakfast time, so they don't have the lunch one. This is the harsh brown, but they don't have the Big Mac because it's breakfast time. I don't know. They have like some kind of future, but like, so I have this. Let me open it. I have this, and I have my pork. Okay, let's go. It's gonna be ASMR too. My phone is 14%. Very good. Like a small size. Hash brown. My phone is like 13%. I got the number 10 for this one. So juicy and tasty. Very good. Very good. This is my ASMR. Thanks. It's McDonald's, but next time I'll do it even better. Thanks for listening. Bye, Miguel.